In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base44 to create a website easily and effectively. First, you need to head over to base44.com. If you haven't already done so, take a moment to log in or create a free account to get started. Don't worry, the process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to dive into the action right away. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new project. You'll start by typing whatever you envision for your website in the prompt box that appears. Base44 is powered by 8, which means it will automatically generate a starter website for you based on the input you provide. This feature is fantastic for giving you a solid foundation to build upon with minimal initial effort. Once your starter website is ready, it's time to move into the editing phase. Base44 offers an intuitive drag and drop interface that makes adding or moving elements on your page a breeze. Here you have the freedom to change the text, swap out images, and adjust colors to fit your personal or brand style. Feel free to expand your site with additional pages such as About, Contact, or Services, depending on your needs. And remember, if you ever want to refine your content further, simply use the type box on the left side to enter new prompts. After you've finished adding content and polishing your design, you'll want to customize your settings. Head over to the settings menu and select branding. This is where you can elevate the professionalism of your site by adding a logo, favicon, or even a custom domain if you have one. These elements are optional, but they can add a unique touch to your website. Before going live, it's crucial to preview your site. Click the preview button so you can get a sense of how everything looks and functions. During this preview stage, make sure to scrutinize both the desktop and mobile views to ensure a seamless experience across devices. This step is key to maintaining your site's accessibility and functionality. If everything looks perfect and you're satisfied with your website, it's time to publish. You'll find the Publish button at the top right corner of the interface. Once you hit Publish, your website will be live, and you can share the link with anyone or connect it to your domain if you choose. Publishing marks the completion of your website creation journey with Base44, and your site is ready for the world to see. That wraps up the process of using Base44 to create a website. Remember, this platform is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, ensuring that even beginners can successfully build a stylish and functional online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!